attention, please.
Universal Studios has their own fire department. Stage 12 is where The Voice currently produces their show. They also said that right now they're using it for commercials more than anything, but it is one of the largest sound stages in the world. Pardon me if I stutter or start yelling. It is very, very loud on this tram. This is where Superstore is, so I'm keeping an eye out. These bungalows that you're seeing here, they just said were once basically houses for actors back in the golden age in the 40s, 50s, and 60s of Hollywood. So they were under contract, and instead of always going home and coming back, going home, coming back, they would just stay here and do their makeup and have basically an apartment-sized dressing room.
I like films that just take you away from your real life and sweep you up an adventure. Cole literally does that. I mean, you're on board the ship, you're sailing to a lost island, and you're encountering monsters and creatures from, prehistoric times.
They said we would have flying cars by the year 2015. I think we're running a little late. We have Fred Flintstones and Barney Rubble's cars from the live-action Flintstones movies, and various cars from various Fast and Furious films. We even have a gyrosphere from our mega hits Jurassic World and Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Each one of these vehicles looks unique. But for every one of these vehicles, we have multiple versions, and each version has its own purpose. Some of our picture cars are just little miniatures used for the special effects sequences. Some of the cars are there to look pristine and gorgeous, kind of like the stars themselves. There are 5 of them right now. Is that dinosaurs can be brought back from extinction. As far as I know, that is just in the realm of science fiction, or maybe in a Steven Spielberg movie. Of course, maybe dinosaurs can be brought back from extinction. Spinners. Okay, so by now, I'm sure you figured out, let's get some rain to go with all that. Hi guys, can we get some rain please? And we have rain falling on the left. So if you look at the rain, look a little higher, you'll see sprinklers shooting the water up into the air. When it falls, it looks just like the real stuff. And it can be wet and slippery like the real stuff. So I think we should all stay seated just to be safe. But that's how we can create rain here in Hollywood. Thanks, guys. That was great. Guys, can we get the rain, please? Guys, are you listening to me up there? Hello? Look at all that. What I said about getting wet. Here at NBC Universal, we're not going to waste any of it. It'll be back at the top in about 15 seconds. We believe in recycling. Yes, we do. This is what that flash flood looked like in the film Big Fat Liar. Yeah, we'll see about that.
Oh!
falling in accidentally. And I think we had to keep our eyes open for that shark. You never know when it's going to come over.
Oh, that can't be good.
Is it attacking us? It's going to be appearing on that might have been that special event, that Kelly Clarkson event that just went in there. And nobody's seen that. I'm facing backwards. Sorry about that. But anyways, you're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Page.
You're a bad banana with a greasy black beard.
These are some of the Whoville houses from the live-action film. They are made entirely of styrofoam. But who knew that Whoville was right around the corner from the Bates Motel? And I hear the rooms are very clean. Room service is excellent. And the owner of the motel, Norman Bates, well, there he is, right there. Norman! Norman, I got some guests from out of town. I need a place to stay tonight. I thought since they were taking the tram tour, you might want to give them a discount. He seems a bit preoccupied. Doesn't seem quite himself today. He's usually very, very friendly. What is he? I know who that is. Why is she wrapped up shower curtains? Okay, we've outstayed our welcome here. Yeah, it's definitely time for us to check out the Bates Motel.
We all go like that sometimes.
And this brings us on to the spectacular playground set from the Steven Spielberg blockbuster War of the Worlds, starring Tom Cruise.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision of Spielberg.
And it's like, again, to sit down and talk about War of the Worlds. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
I've heard of this place. The Fast and Furious movies. This is where they get all those cars all souped up and ready for all of those street races.
My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you.
So what did y'all think of the Studio Backlot Tour? We couldn't film it all, but I still tried to film as much as I possibly could. It was really neat to me. I've never done it. Ashley did it when she was little, and a lot has changed since then. But for me, it was making new memories. That was awesome. So now we're gonna try to do it again. We have our express pass still available for that attraction. So we're gonna do that a little bit later, and hopefully we can catch some more hot set stuff and more people out and about. So I think we're getting hungry. We're gonna go try to check out Hogwarts and Wizarding World, because that's where we're gonna eat lunch, and Ashley is starting to take off, so we must be close.